Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another mani collab from Nina. If you missed my previous video, I will link it in the description. I have already applied my base gel, which is from a cart. This is the purple one. And on top of that, I added the matte gel top coat, also from a cart. They will be linked in the description. I'm going to be using my fine nail art brush, some white gel paint, hot pink, green, and also light pink and black. I'm going to be using the Macart Mini UV LED lamp for this tutorial. To start off this manicure, I'm going to be dipping the fine nail art brush into the white gel paint, and I'm going to be drawing a flower in the corner of my nail. I honestly don't know what kind of flower this is. I've noticed a lot whenever I draw flowers, I don't know what kind of flower it is unless it's a rose. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm just drawing quite a few strokes on each petal, and the end of the flower is kind of feathered out just a little bit. I think this gave it a really nice touch, and I love how these flowers came out. I do want this design to be kind of random, so I am alternating the number of white flowers on each nail. So my index nail has 2 white flowers, the middle finger has 1, and it repeats back and forth. I did want to have a random flower design on the edges of my nails. I did not want anything to be symmetrical or anything to look the same, so each nail is different. After I have all of the white flowers like I want, I am going to cure under the lamp. Once the white is cured, I'm going to take the hot pink gel paint and I'm going to be drawing roses. I did start out trying to outline the rose petals, but I didn't like how it was looking, so I decided to do kind of like the vintage rose video that I did. I will link that in the cards right here. So for that design, you just draw some dark pink circles, and then after that layer is cured, you go back with a lighter color and you outline the rose petals. This gives you a very simple rose design that is great for beginners. As I said before, I do not want any of these nails to match exactly, so I'm just adding the roses wherever I feel like I need them. Once I like where all of the roses are placed, I'm going to cure this under the lamp. Once that layer is cured, I'm going to take the light pink gel paint and I'm going to be drawing the rose petals. As I said before, if you have already watched my vintage rose video, you know exactly what I'm doing here, but I'm basically just making the circle look like a rose. Once I like how that is looking, I am going to cure under the lamp. Then I'm going to take the dark green gel paint and I'm going to be drawing the leaves. So this again is very sporadic, so I just pick a random place on the nail that I feel like it needs leaves and I add them. I'm just drawing a curved line and then I'm going to be drawing a leaf shape coming off of the sides. After I've added all the leaves, I did cure under the lamp. Then I'm going to take my black gel paint and I'm going to be adding some details to this design. So on each of the white flowers, I did add some black dots in the center, as well as adding sporadic groups of dots along the edges of the flowers. Honestly, I don't know what they're for, but it makes the design look so much more put together. After I like where all of the black dots are placed, I'm going to cure under the lamp. Then I'm going to take my white gel paint and I'm going to be adding some more groups of white dots around the black ones. Because I did have the purple as a matte gel polish, I am not going to be adding a top coat to this design because I do want the flowers to be shiny and I want the background to be matte. So after I cure in the lamp for the final cure, here are the nails. I think this design came out so cute and I'm definitely ready for spring. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you think of this design or if you have suggestions for future nail art. See you guys in the next video. Bye!